Hello, my friends. Welcome to today's English learning story, A New Me. In this story, you'll meet Emma, a young woman who wakes up one morning and realizes her hair looks terrible. She feels nervous, worried, and a little bit funny, too. But with a little help from her best friend, she learns something important, that sometimes a small change can make a big difference. As you listen, try to repeat new words, learn natural English expressions, and enjoy a story full of humor, friendship, and confidence. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. A New Me, the Hair Makeover Story. The hair panic. It was a sunny Saturday morning, and Emma was standing in front of her bedroom mirror with a horrified look on her face. Her hair was everywhere, frizzy, long, and messy like it had survived a small storm. She tilted her head left, then right, hoping maybe it would somehow look better from another angle. But no, it looked worse. "Oh no," she whispered, running her fingers through the tangled strands. "My hair looks terrible. I can't go anywhere like this." She sighed loudly and threw her hairbrush on the bed. "It's too long, too wild, too everything." Her best friend, Sarah, who was sitting on the couch, laughed softly. "Relax, Emma. It's just hair." Emma turned to her. "Just hair. It's my life." "There's a party tonight, Sarah. Everyone will be there, and I'll look like a bird's nest on legs." Sarah giggled. "A very cute bird's nest." Emma rolled her eyes. "Not funny. I need a miracle." "The big idea," Sarah smiled gently. "Okay, calm down. You don't need a miracle. You just need help. Let's go to the beauty center." Emma froze. "The beauty center? Oh, no. I've never gone to one before." "Exactly," Sarah said. "It's time to try something new. They can fix your hair easily." Emma hesitated. "But what if they laugh at me?" "Why would they laugh? They see crazy hair every day. That's their job." After a few minutes of nervous thinking, Emma finally said, "Okay, but if I come out looking like a pineapple, I'm blaming you." Sarah laughed. "Then you'll be the most fashionable pineapple in town." The nervous beginning as they walked into the beauty center. Emma could smell the fresh shampoo and see people getting their hair washed, dried, and styled. It looked like a happy, magical place. But to Emma, it felt like walking into another world. A friendly woman greeted them at the counter. "Welcome. What can we do for you today?" Sarah smiled confidently. "I'd like a small trim, please." Then she nudged Emma gently. Emma took a deep breath. I'd like a haircut, please." The woman smiled. "Of course. First time here?" Emma nodded shyly. Yes, my first time ever in a beauty center. Well, said the stylist, you're going to love it. Please, have a seat. We'll take good care of you. The fear of the unknown. As Emma sat in the soft chair, she couldn't stop fidgeting. The bright lights, the mirrors, the sound of scissors, everything made her nervous. The stylist came back and asked, "Would you like to wash your hair first?" Sure. Why not? When warm water touched her head, Emma suddenly relaxed a little. It felt surprisingly nice. The gentle fingers of the assistant massaged her scalp, and for the first time that day, she smiled. But her peace didn't last long. Another worker approached with a small bowl and said cheerfully, "And now, we'll start with a deep cleansing face mask." Emma's eyes went wide. Wait, no face masks. I just came for a haircut. Everyone laughed, including the stylist. Don't worry, no green goo today. Just your hair. Sarah laughed so hard that she nearly dropped her phone. Imagine you walking out with cucumber slices on your face. Emma laughed too, feeling a little braver now. The makeover begins. The stylist picked up her scissors. All right, let's give this hair a fresh start. Emma sat up straight and closed her eyes. She could hear the snip, snip, snip sound of the scissors, and small pieces of hair fell like feathers to the floor. Not too short. Please, she whispered nervously. Don't worry, said the stylist. I promise, no pineapples today. Minute by minute, the old, messy hair disappeared. The stylist moved carefully, shaping the layers, softening the edges, and finishing with a light mist of shine spray. Sarah watched the transformation with a big smile. She's going to love it, she whispered. The big reveal, finally, the stylist said. Okay, Emma. Ready to see your new look? Emma hesitated. I don't know. Maybe. Come on, said Sarah. You're going to look amazing. Slowly, Emma opened her eyes and looked into the mirror. Her jaw dropped. The reflection staring back didn't look like the same person. Her hair was smooth, shiny, perfectly shaped, and made her face glow. For a moment, she couldn't believe it was really her. I look beautiful, she whispered softly. Sarah clapped her hands. See, I told you. No disaster. No pineapple. Just perfect. Emma touched her hair gently. It felt soft and silky. I love it, she said with a huge smile. I really love it. The confidence returns on their way home. Emma couldn't stop looking at her reflection in every shop window. She smiled wider each time. It feels like I've changed completely, she said. Sarah nodded. That's what confidence does. New hair, new energy, new you. At home, Emma looked in the mirror again. The same girl she had seen in the morning. Tired, nervous, and unhappy, was gone. Now she saw someone confident, glowing, and ready for anything. The lesson learned that evening. Before heading to the party, Emma stood by her window, brushing her shiny new hair one last time. She smiled softly and said to herself, "Trying new things isn't so scary after all." She realized that sometimes fear hides behind simple things, like a haircut. But when you face it, it can lead to something wonderful. When Sarah arrived to pick her up, Emma twirled once and said proudly, "New hair, new me." Sarah laughed. "And now, let's show the world your amazing look." They stepped out together, laughing, shining, and ready to make memories. For Emma, it wasn't just about a haircut anymore. It was about finding her confidence and learning that change can be beautiful.